In today's video, we are going to cover how to add attachments to QuickBooks transactions. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into your account. Once you are in, go to the transaction where you want to add a file. This can be an invoice, a bill, an expense, or a sales receipt. Open that transaction so you are looking at the full details page and not just the list view. The attachment needs to be added from inside the transaction itself, so make sure you are on the correct record before you continue. With the transaction open, scroll down until you reach the attachments section. Depending on your screen size, this area may be lower on the form, so keep moving down until you see it clearly. This is the part of the transaction where QuickBooks stores documents connected to that specific entry, such as receipts, backup files, or related paperwork. When you find the attachments section, click Add Attachment. This opens a file selection window from your computer. From there, browse to the file you want to include with the transaction and select it. After you choose the file, confirm the selection in the file window so QuickBooks can begin the upload. Make sure you pick the correct file before moving on, especially if you keep several versions of the same document in one folder. Once the file is selected, wait for the upload to finish. The time this takes can vary depending on the file size and your connection, so give it a moment if it does not appear right away. During this step, stay on the transaction page and let QuickBooks complete the upload. After the upload finishes, look back at the attachments section and confirm that the file now appears there. This is how you know the document has been added to the transaction. Check the file name carefully so you can confirm it matches the document you intended to attach. If you need to review files that were already connected to this transaction, click Show Existing. That will display any attachments that are already stored there, which can help you avoid adding the same file twice or help you verify that the correct supporting document is already included. When everything looks correct, click Save to save the transaction with the attachment. This final step updates the transaction and keeps the uploaded file connected to it inside QuickBooks Online. If you leave the page before saving, the transaction may not keep the change, so make sure you complete that last click before you move away. The selected file is now attached to your QuickBooks transaction and saved with it.